Okay, so I'm back. So as I was saying before, Vanessa, who's like a second daughter to me, and I are getting ready for a reset, restore, retreat in Costa Rica. We're gonna go to Flamingo Beach and stay at the towers. Everybody's gonna have their own little space. You can share if you want. We're gonna have adventure tours. We're gonna do yoga, Tai Chi, lymphatic detox, massages, eat right, have smoothies and fruit in the morning. Depending on what your dietary needs are, we will adapt and tailor your meals according to what your body needs. Remember what the idea behind this whole retreat is: reset, restore. So we're gonna detox, cleanse, get ourselves to a nice base level, and then from there, we're gonna just start adding on the foods and the type of energetic exercises, movements, and modalities that are best suited for our own personal body, mind, and spirit. But today, what we're going to do is stretch. Vamos a estirar. Vamos a empezar con los pies estirados. Feet out in front of you, nice and stretched out. Even doing something like this, you guys, is a great exercise for your core. You have to lift your hip and walk forward. And you have to lift your hip and walk back. And that makes you contract all the muscles through the core. It keeps your quads super, super tight. And it's a really good way to awaken your body and let it know that you're going to get it ready for stretching. So we're going to do super simple stuff. Inhale, arms up. Exhale and reach your fingertips towards your legs. If all you can do is touch your knees and tilt forward a little bit, great. I just want to make sure that you're not seated back here and rounding back here. If it's necessary and you need to place your hands back behind your spine, right up against your hips, your glutes, that's good. That's fine. You can do it that way. Chest up, shoulders back. If you're a little more flexible and you can let go and not have that support, even, like I said, waddle. Reach forward, but don't sacrifice your straight spine. Stay straight. Take a nice deep breath. Inhale and exhale. You stretch again. Inhale and exhale. If you can go further, see if you can go out past your knees, past your shins, to your ankles. If you can flex your feet and reach for your toes, that's even better. And just kind of waddle your hips right and left to elongate those hamstrings. Keep your chest lifted. Keep your breath open. Inhale way up. Exhale, point your toes, grab your ankles. Use a little strength with your arms. Pull your belly button nice and tight and round your body. Exhale. Tuck your chin into your collarbone so you stimulate your thyroid. Exhale, blow all the air out. Crowning chakra down towards your legs. See how low you can go. Chin up, chest out, flat back. Grab those toes again. Good. Inhale up. Point. Now you're going to take one arm back, one arm front, and rotate your upper torso so that your shoulders are perpendicular to your hips. Look back behind you, line your chin with your back shoulder. Hold, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Arms up, overhead. Let's reverse that. Other side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Both arms up. Hands back behind you. Everybody place your hands back behind you. Rotate your toes out. Lock your knees tight. Squeeze your buttocks tight and start tucking your hips under. And if you can, raise your hips up off the ground and hold 8. And slowly lower yourself down. Don't worry if you can't do that exercise. Turn your palms back, up, behind you, your hands release, relax, and allow your body to round down towards the ground as you inhale and exhale. Kind of waddle those hips. Once again, stay low. Relax your hands down by your sides. Rise up. Bring your legs together. Cross one foot in. Try and press your flat of the foot firmly on the ground. Take your elbow, cross it in front of your knee. If you want, you can anchor yourself with one arm behind you and look, or you can interlock your fingertips and rotate your torso. Once again, twist back. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. And release it. Both arms up, undo those legs, inhale and exhale. Now you're gonna do the other side. You're just gonna take your other foot, place it on the floor, firmly into the ground. Take your inside of the elbow, cross it over the knee. You can either interlace those hands, or you can place one hand behind you and rotate your chin over your shoulder. And release. Both arms up, overhead, both legs out. Once again, reach forward. See how much further you can go this time. Kind of round your body all at once. Tuck your chin into your collarbone. Drop in, hold it. Take a deep breath. Kind of waddle your hips back and forth. See if it's not a little bit easier for you to get down this time. It should be. Hold. And slowly round it up. Okay, we're going to bend one knee in, leave the other one straight out. So one knee bends in, the other one extends straight out to the side. And you want to rotate your torso so that you're facing forward. One hand reaches towards the ankle. And these are just a few of the exercises that we'll be doing on our retreat. It's a great way to acclimate your body to movement without really forcing any hardcore exercises upon it if it hasn't been used to exercise. You always want to move in slowly. You don't want to overwhelm and overtax your systems. Inhale as you go up. And then you can just gently place your elbow down on the ground and peek overhead with the other side. Always trying to keep your opposite hip on the ground. Try not to lift it up, okay? Inhale and exhale at your own pace. Open that chest, lift up. Deep breath again. The most important part of all of this movement is your breathing. That's what circulates air in and out of your lungs. That's what allows your body to be fed its oxygen and nutrients. Inhale up. All of that circulation moves into all your systems. Inhaling and exhaling so that everything flows. Take a nice deep breath. Reach over towards your ankle. Grab it. Use the force of bending that elbow to pull your body down. Inhale, exhale. Stretch through the rib cage. Feel both hips firmly into the floor. And then lift up. Elbow down, peek under. Nice deep breath in. Lift up. Exhale. Cross your legs together if you can. Some people can't sit in lotus, and that's fine. If you can't, then you can sit in a straddle and you can sit forward just like this. But I just wanted to say hi and give you a quick little stretch. No matter where you are, what you're doing, stop, get down on the floor, go grab your mat first, get down on the floor and do these stretches with me, all right? I'm back in Costa Rica. It's wonderful to say hi to you guys, and I can't wait for our Reset, Restore retreat. Who wants to go? DM me. I'll give you all the deets. Bye.